Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if a plus b whole to the power a minus b is equal to 243, then find the value of a times b to the power a. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of this exponential form from this algebraic equation. Our given algebraic equation is a plus b whole to the power a minus b is equal to 243. Now we can write from this equation a plus b whole to the power a minus b is equal to, so student, on the right hand side we have to write the exponential form of 243. We know that 243 is equal to 7 times 7 times 7, that is 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3 is the exponential form of 243. So on the right hand side we can write in here 7 to the power 3. After comparing on both sides of this equation, we can write in here a plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b is equal to 3. So student, to solve this both equation, we can apply the elimination method. According to elimination method, if you add the left hand side of this both equation, then we can cancel plus b and minus b, and if you add a plus a, then you get 2 times a is equal to, on the right hand side if you add 7 plus 3, then you get 10. So we have to write 10 on the right hand side of this equation. So after that we have to transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So it will be a is equal to 10 over 2, that is 5. The value of a will be 5. Putting the value of in equation 1, we get a plus b is equal to 7, and if you put the value of a is equal to 5 in this equation, then this equation will becomes 5 plus b is equal to 7. And after that we have to transpose 5 from left hand side to right hand side. Then on the left hand side you can write in here b is equal to, on the right hand side will be 7 minus 5, implies that b is equal to 2. But we have to find the value of a times b to the power a. So now we can put the value of a and b in this exponential form. So we can write in here 5 times 2 to the power 5. So it will be 5 times 2 to the power 5, that is 32. So if you multiply 5 with 32, then you get 160. So student, the value of this exponential form will be 160. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.